Good morning, welcome to the channel. Retired, don't give up. This morning I was on the phone with my friend Dave Clark down in Surin. Yes, Dave Clark, without an E. Talking to him about our fountains. He's the, in my opinion, the local guru on fish ponds and, of course, koi fish. Just finished watching one of his videos on his koi Thai video. I'll put that link at the end of this video. Anyway, he said, send me some. I wanted to talk to him about, he was changing filters on this particular video he was doing. And of course, I'm cleaning my filter almost every day, and it's, and just, I thought, geez, I'm going to give him a call and see what his thoughts are. So he said, take some pictures and send them to me. And like I say, I'm going to clean everything. I'll send you the pictures, and yeah, send me some pictures, and I'll take a look. So we did that. Now, mind you, I did all the pictures with my iPhone. I'm still going to put them up, and as I say in the picture, and as I say through those videos, I'm going to be heading into the city, which we're going to be doing very shortly, to the pet store to pick up some new supplies, some more food, and I'm going to change those filters. So, come along for the ride. Okay, as you can see my fish, of course as they see me they get out of the way. There's my biggest fish right there. The rest of them are all fairly, between the small size and the big size. The black ones are very good size too. There, so yeah. And of course they all hide over there. So, and of course I've got quite a few of these small fish. As you can see, the water's quite clear. It's down. I'm ready to add. So here's one of the inputs, and here's the other input, and it's still flowing. The over drain is here. I also have an air line down there to add air to the water. So this is the actual filter that's here. I'm going to take it apart and clean it right now. So we have a pump. We have the pump down there. The pump's up to here and gravity fed, and then out here. And the overflow, of course, the overflow goes here and back in. I have a secondary pump down there that's pumping through the white line. Pumps it up there. There's my little chicken shit guppies. And of course it pumps it up here. And I'll go on the other side of the point. Give it a little better. Of course we have the fountain. Now I don't always have that. I have two different setups for the fountain. Quite often I'll just leave it like that. Depending on what I'm doing when I'm cleaning. I also have something like this, which works good. Like I say, it adds the extra air into the system. It comes down into the secondary pond and then into the main pond. All right, I'm going to turn it off and clean the filter, show you what's going on there. Interesting little tidbit. Okay, as the water got below the first filter media, I heard a noise of it gurgling, and the flow coming out of the drain actually increased. So clearly the top layer is what is getting is collecting the first amount, the most amount, and as you can see, this is not near as dirty as it normally is. That's why it seems to be working okay. Now I just finished feeding the fish about an hour ago. a fair amount because I'm only feeding them. I'm only feeding them the one time, and it's all gone. They've eaten everything, so they all have full bellies. All right, I'm going to clean the filters. Going to pull the other ones out, clean them, put them back in operation. So you can see the edge of the filter media is definitely compressed to what it was before. Again, 2 months. I'll clean them. I'm going to buy more. I'm going to buy new ones today, cut them, and put them in tomorrow. And of course, all I use is I just use the hose. You can see, even after I've cleaned the filter as long as I can, there's still obviously dirt embedded in the center of the filter. And that's why I'm going to replace it. And it's compressed. There's no doubt it's no longer the 4 or 5 centimeters that it should be. You get woken up by roosters like I do? Okay, done. About half an hour worth of work. pH is 7.6. That's after I added about 4 inches of water into the pond. So, you know, I don't know, probably 100 gallons. My flow coming out is really good, as you can see. And my little fountain on the top. We're at the pet store where we bought the filters and so forth for the pond, and we're going to go in and take a look at see if we can get some new filters for the filter pads. So we've got new filter pads. Oh, I don't know. I got to make 3 out of that. So we'll see. And as you can see, this is the filter that we have, and this is the filter we probably should have bought. I'm new at this. I took what I thought was right, what I was advised, but as we're finding out, it's quite possible that the filter's not big enough for our pond. So at some point, and this was 750 baht, I don't remember how much this one was, obviously less, but it's basically the same, but it's considerably larger. And well, yeah. We're obviously going to have to change that at some point in the near future. So, in the meantime, we have a filter, and we're going to get some food. So this is the top filter, this is the middle filter, and this is the filter on the bottom. Not a very uniform coverage of dirt over the whole filter, so it's quite possible the way the water was hitting, it was overflowing into the neck. But we're going to get it clean and put them back in. As you can see, this is the old filter and it's considerably more compressed, and it's got dirt that's gone right through it. This is the newer filter that we just put in. Now, the original filters we put in when we did the pond a little over 3 months ago, and these are the new filters. The original filters, as I said earlier in the video, it didn't last more than a day, and it was literally overflowing. We had to have the the bypass open completely, or it would just leak. And the filter, the water's clean, everything is filtering well, and that's after 4 days. So I don't have a problem cleaning the filters every 4 days. I don't have a problem cleaning them every 3 days. But I'm thinking, for what it costs, 120 baht for these 120 baht for the filters. You get 3 out of a package. Well, for now, I just think every couple of months, replace the filters, and you're going to get more than 1 day of filtering, and we'll see how that works. I mean, at some point, yes, I think we're going to change this filter, this complete setup, and put the larger filter in place, 750 baht. But in the meantime, this is working just fine by changing the filters every 3 days. Give it a wash, as you can see, and we're good to go. Until next time, bye for now. And remember, don't give up.